3 daily paying side hustles you can start today, no experience needed. Imagine waking up, working a few hours, and having money land in your account the same day. No more waiting 2 weeks for a paycheck. Today, I'm breaking down 3 legit side hustles that pay daily, perfect for beginners, and you can start right after watching this video. First up, DoorDash and Uber Eats. This is the fastest way to earn daily cash with minimal setup. You work when you want, cash out instantly, and get tips on top of it. If you have a car, bike, or even a scooter, you're good to go. Tip: work during lunch and dinner rush for more orders and bigger tips. Pros: flexible schedule, fast approval process, daily cash out with instant pay. Cons: car or transport stuff is necessary. Busy hours are key for income. Next, we have UserTesting.com. You get paid to review websites and apps while giving your honest feedback. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes per test and you can earn $10 to $60 depending on the task. Money is sent via PayPal within 1 to 2 days. Why it's great? No special skills needed, remote work. Simple setup. Third is Fiverr. If you can write, design, translate, or even do voiceovers, you can earn from day one. Buyers often tip, and Fiverr lets you withdraw earnings in as little as 24 hours. Pro tip: offer 24-hour delivery to boost visibility and attract fast orders. Examples of fast gigs: logo design, resume writing, short video editing. Want to maximize income? Combine 2 of these. Do deliveries during lunch hours, and complete Fiverr gigs or testing sites at home in the evening. You'll have money flowing in from multiple sources, all daily pay. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more real ways to make money. Comment below which side hustle you'll try first. This is Money Shift, helping you earn smarter every day.